Will you give me a drink?
How is it that you ask me?
If you knew, you would ask me. Give me a drink.
How is it that you ask a drink of me?
If you knew the gift of God, you would ask him. You have had 5 husbands, and the one you have now is not your husband. If you knew the gift of God.
Sir, where is this living water?
I am he, the one speaking to you.
Come, see a man who told me everything I ever did. Could this be the Christ?